Your sheets are clean, but are they really clean? Run your hand across your bed linens right now. Do they feel soft and crisp, the way a five-star hotel feels on the first night? Or do they feel a little rough, a little dull, maybe carrying a faint sour smell even after a full wash cycle? That gap between your home sheets and hotel sheets is not about money. It is not about thread count, and it is absolutely not about expensive laundry products. It comes down to one completely overlooked laundry method that hotels have quietly used for decades and that almost nobody at home knows about. Marcus here with Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and in the next few minutes, those hotel-quality linens are going to become your everyday reality. If this channel is new to you, smash that subscribe button right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss a cleaning tip that can transform your home. Share this video with a friend or family member who still fights with dingy sheets every wash day, and drop a comment below. Tell Marcus what your biggest laundry struggle is, because the answer might already be in this video. Why your linens never feel the same as hotel sheets. Most people assume hotels spend a fortune on premium detergents, commercial-grade machines, or industrial bleaching agents to keep their sheets blinding white and impossibly soft. The truth is far simpler and far cheaper. Hotels actually use less detergent than the average household, not more. The problem at home is not a lack of cleaning power. The problem is buildup. Years of excess detergent, fabric softener residue, and hard water mineral deposits accumulate deep inside fabric fibers. Each wash cycle packs in another invisible layer. The fibers become coated, stiff, and odor-trapping. No amount of fresh detergent can fix what old residue has already done. The hotel method strips all of that away and keeps fibers naturally clean from the inside out. Secret hotel laundry hack number 1. Use far less detergent than you think. This one surprises almost everyone. The first secret is to cut your detergent amount in half, or even further. For a full load of bed linens, 1 level teaspoon of a concentrated liquid detergent is genuinely enough. Hotels discovered long ago that modern detergents are extraordinarily concentrated. The measuring caps that come with detergent bottles are designed to make you pour far more than necessary, which means you buy more often. Using excess detergent does not make your laundry cleaner. It leaves a soapy film on every fiber. That film attracts dirt faster, dulls the white color, and creates that musty smell that lingers even after drying. Cutting back on detergent is the single most important shift in this entire method. If you are watching this and thinking about trying it, go ahead and like this video so more people can find this information. It costs nothing and helps the channel grow. Secret hotel laundry hack number 2. Baking soda in the drum. Add 1/4 cup of plain baking soda directly into the washing machine drum before loading your sheets. Do not put it in the detergent drawer. Place it loose in the drum so it can make direct contact with the fabric from the very start of the cycle. Baking soda is mildly alkaline, which gives it a unique set of laundry powers. It softens hard water, which is critical because hard water minerals are one of the main reasons linens go gray and stiff over time. It neutralizes acidic odors like sweat and body oils at their source rather than masking them with fragrance. It also gently lifts stains without damaging fabric structure. And because it is a natural mineral compound, it leaves 0 residue behind. Nothing is coating the fibers. The fabric stays free and breathable, which is exactly why hotel sheets feel light even when they are thick. Baking soda also works as a natural fabric brightener for whites. It reacts with the water to create a slightly alkaline wash environment that helps restore the natural brightness of cotton fibers. This is why white hotel sheets stay white for hundreds of wash cycles without bleach. Secret hotel laundry hack number 3. White vinegar in the rinse cycle. Pour half a cup of plain distilled white vinegar into the fabric softener dispenser. The machine will release it automatically during the rinse cycle. If the machine does not have a dispenser, add it manually at the start of the rinse. White vinegar is mildly acidic, which makes it the perfect counterpart to baking soda. During the rinse, it neutralizes any remaining alkaline detergent residue, which is one of the main causes of that stiff, scratchy texture on home-washed sheets. It dissolves mineral deposits from hard water that build up in the fabric over time. It acts as a natural fabric conditioner by relaxing the cotton fibers themselves, not by coating them the way commercial softener does, but by genuinely freeing them. And because the vinegar's smell fully evaporates during drying, sheets come out smelling clean and neutral, not like vinegar at all. This is a good moment to share this video with someone who asks why their towels always feel stiff. The answer is right here.
Secret hotel laundry hack number 4. Never use fabric softener. This is the rule that shocks most people. Hotels never use fabric softener on their sheets and towels. Never. And once the science is clear, this makes complete sense. Fabric softener works by depositing a thin, waxy coating made of positively charged chemicals called quats onto fabric fibers. This coating feels temporarily soft to the touch, but over multiple washes, it builds up into a thick residue. That residue does 3 damaging things. First, it reduces absorbency, which is why towels that were once fluffy and quick drying become slow and almost water-repellent over time. Second, it traps odors inside the fiber structure, rather than allowing them to wash out. Third, it prevents detergent from actually penetrating the fabric, which means successive washes become less and less effective. Fabric softener is a product that slowly ruins the things it promises to protect. Vinegar and baking soda together create genuine softness by removing what does not belong, leaving fibers free to be naturally soft on their own. Secret hotel laundry hack number 5. Wash in the hottest water the fabric allows. Check the care label on your sheets. For cotton and cotton blend linens, wash in the hottest water allowed, typically 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Most home laundry is done in cold or warm water because of energy savings, and while that is sensible for colored clothing, it is not ideal for white bed linens. Here is why heat matters so much. Body oils, skin cells, and most domestic bacteria are broken down and removed most effectively by hot water. Cold water washing redistributes these substances across the fabric rather than fully removing them. This is why cold-washed sheets can smell clean immediately after the dryer, but develop a sour odor within a day or 2 of being back on the bed. The oils were never fully gone, they were just moved around. Hot water also activates the baking soda and works with the detergent far more efficiently, meaning even the reduced detergent amount does a thorough job. The combination of hot water plus minimal detergent plus baking soda is what actually delivers a deep, genuine clean.
Secret hotel laundry hack number 6. The 2-step strip wash for old buildup. If sheets and towels have years of fabric softener and detergent buildup locked into the fibers, one standard wash with this new method may not be enough to fully restore them. Hotels use what is called a strip wash when dealing with heavily used linens before putting them into regular rotation. Fill the bathtub with the hottest water available. Add half a cup of baking soda, half a cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of detergent. Submerge the linens and let them soak for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight if possible. The water will likely turn a murky brown or gray color. That is the trapped residue releasing from the fabric. After soaking, wring out gently and run through a regular hot wash cycle with the hotel method. The result is linens that feel genuinely renewed. This strip wash only needs to be done once for old linens. After that, the regular hotel method maintains that clean state permanently. Secret hotel laundry hack number 7. Drying technique makes the final difference. The wash is only half the story. How linens are dried directly affects that crisp, fresh hotel finish. Hotels dry their sheets on high heat and remove them from the dryer while they are still very slightly damp, not wet, but not bone dry either.
The sheets are then folded or spread immediately to finish air drying, which gives them that clean, breathable crispness. Over-drying is a common mistake at home. Sheets left tumbling in the dryer until completely dry come out wrinkled, slightly rough, and carrying a faint hot air smell. Removing them 5 to 10 minutes early and smoothing them flat preserves the fiber softness and eliminates most wrinkles without ironing. If possible, line drying in sunlight is the gold standard. UV rays from natural sunlight act as a free natural bleaching agent for white linens. Sunlight also kills surface bacteria and leaves a genuinely fresh outdoor scent that no product can fully replicate. The full hotel laundry formula. Simple summary. Hot water wash, 1 teaspoon of concentrated detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda in the drum, half a cup of white vinegar in the rinse. No fabric softener, ever. Remove from the dryer slightly damp and smooth flat. That is the complete formula. No expensive products, no specialty equipment. Just a smarter method. Long-term results. What changes after consistent use? After several months of using this method consistently, the transformation in linens goes well beyond one good wash. White sheets stay genuinely white instead of developing that yellowish tinge that most home linens develop within a year. Towels remain absorbent and fluffy instead of gradually becoming rough and water-repellent. The fabric itself lasts longer because no harsh chemicals are degrading the fiber structure over time. The cost savings are equally real. Baking soda and white vinegar are among the most affordable household items available. Using less detergent per wash adds up to significant savings over months. The investment in good linens also goes further when they are being properly cared for, instead of quietly destroyed by residue buildup. The secret to hotel-quality linens was never about what is being added. It was always about removing what should not be there. Less detergent, no fabric softener, hot water, baking soda, white vinegar. These 5 elements work together to give every wash the kind of deep, genuine clean that sends sheets back to the bed feeling like a 5-star hotel prepared them. If this changed the way the laundry room looks to you, give this video a like right now. It genuinely helps more people find this channel. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks so Marcus can keep sharing the cleaning methods that actually work. Share this with someone whose sheets deserve better. And leave a comment below. Are you trying this on the next wash day? Marcus reads every single one. Until next time, wash smarter, sleep better, and make every night feel like a hotel stay.